Hi, let's start next lecture. So here I will discuss self-referential structure of binary tree. So in last lecture I discussed tree traversal, pre-order, in-order, post-order and how to convert from pre-order in-order to tree or post-order in-order to tree and leftmost child right sibling representation. If you have not seen that video, just go through that video and come to this video. Okay, let's start self-referential structure of binary tree. So here struct BT node, then struct BT node left child. So BT node is for binary tree, you can give any name. So it is for left child, one pointer. It is just like we have in a double linked list. Okay. So here struct BT node left child, then character data, then struct BT node right child, then struct BT node tree. So it is a pointer tree, so that will hold the root value. Like here, it will hold the root value, and it hold the reference of left child and right child. And character data means the data of the node. So suppose you want to access data, you can write t, then in place data, t arrow arrow data. Or suppose you want to access left child, you can write t, then arrow mark left child. Or you can find descendant left, and right child you can write just t, arrow mark right child. And how it will be represented, it will be represented like this: left child data, right child. Like here it will be data, then it will hold the information of left child and it hold the information of right. Let me draw how it will be like. It will be like suppose double linked list. Here suppose data is 1, and there will be another double linked list for left child, there will be another for right. Like here suppose address is 100, here suppose address is 200, and here suppose address is 300. Then here data is 2, here data is 5. I'm just doing for this diagram. Okay, so this will hold here 200 means it will hold the left child address, and here this will hold 300 means it will hold right child address. Now here it again holds suppose another it's just like double linked list, but it is in hierarchical structure. So left side that hold the left child address, and right link part that will hold the right child address. So I think you guys are clear. Left child reference data, right child reference. So let's do one program for finding number of terminal node. So here int do struct bt node tree, so that is the self-referential structure. Then if t negation t means there is no, or t don't contain any value, then return 0. Then if t left child equal to null and t right child equal to null, then return 1. Means if it is a leaf node, then return 1. Else return do t left child plus do t right child. So like first here int do struct bt node t, like here first it will be do 1, and when it will call 1, so is one left child equal to null or one right child equal to null, so this condition will be fail. So this condition will fail. Now it will go to the else part. So else means, so it will be do t left child, that is 2 plus do 3. Okay, so that is its left child plus do its right child. So again do 2, so that will it's first will check if condition, is it left child and right child are null, so no. So it will call do 4 and do 5. So do 4 plus do 5, do 3 also call, do 6 plus do 7. Okay, so now again d4 will call. So d4 left child and right child is 1, so it will return 1. Do 5, it will return 1. Do 6, it will return 1. Do 7, it will return 1. So now sum of this will be 2, this will be 2, so 2 plus 2, this will be 4. So now it will return 4, means number of terminal node is 4. So like this some basic programming may become. So this is just an example. So there may be some different question on binary tree programming. Okay, next to binary tree application. So one of application is arithmetic tree or expression tree. So here parent will be operator and child will be operand. So let a example equal to a equal to b plus c multiplied d, division E minus f power g power h plus I multiplied by g. So there are some precedency and associative rules. So according to that, we draw the expression tree. So what are these? Highest precedence is bracket, then is power, and power associated is right to left, then is multiplication division, its associated is left to right, then is plus and minus is its associated is left to right. So highest is this, then is power, then is multiplication division, then is plus minus. So now let's do it for this. So now here what you have highest precedence, so here it is power, and power is right to left. So first we'll do g power h, then we'll do f. So let's draw the expression tree for this. So it will be g power h. So it is right to left. So now it will be f power this. So g power h, then f power this. Okay. So next is so now power is done. So next is multiplication division. So here three one multiplication, one division, one multiplication is given. So it will go left to right. So first we'll do c multiplied by d. So it will be c multiplied by d. Then we'll do this total c multiplied by d division e. So total division e. So next we'll do I multiplied by j. So that will be I multiplied by j. So now all multiplication division is done. Next is plus minus. So and plus minus will be left to right. So first we'll do this plus. So b plus this whole. Okay, b plus c multiplied d division e. So here this is. So now we'll just add b. So b plus this. So next this whole minus f power g power h. So minus f power g power h. Then this whole plus ij. So plus multiplied I multiplication j. So now this part is done. So this is equal to a. So now equal to a. So this is the complete expression tree for this example. So we have already done some expression tree and postfix prefix expression. So here this is just a infix expression, and from that we draw the expression tree. So there are different prefix is just like pre-order, and postfix that is just like post-order. And how we can use stack for postfix expression, that I already discussed in stack and queue, just go through that lecture. So next we'll do BST. So for today, thank you.